have a geometry and you don't know how to replace the shocks that keep it open, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do that. This is the convertible that I have, so if you have to replace this, I'm going to show you. So basically, when you go buy the shocks, it comes like that. So with this type of shocks, you usually pull this out and that's it. But as you can see, the original, it doesn't come like that. You have to remove this screw that you see over there, and then you will have to remove those screws, both the same thing in both sides. So that is for the cable that you see for the brake line. So I don't know if it came like that from factory or not, but I'm going to try to put the tape later. So you're going to need the impact driver, adjustable wrench, as you can see. And if you're wondering why you have this, is because, like I said before, this one you have to remove them. There is no way to take them out without that, because usually in the regular ones you just pull from here and that's it. So now I'm going to show you step by step, so that way you can do it yourself. I am in US. If you need anything else, any part or anything like that, just let me know. Otherwise, if you're in US, I'll leave you the link so that way you can buy it yourself. So we found the problem here. So the head is all stripped. So now we're going to regenerate the gaps, the cross, so that way we can use the screwdriver again. So in this case, I'm using the Dremel. If you need tools or anything like that, just let me know. I'll send it to you. Otherwise, you can buy it in the link in the video description. So now we are going to put this here. We'll have to use both hands, but with this, we can recreate the head again, so that way we can remove it. Alright, as you can see, I made the gaps. Now I'm able to remove the screw. We can buy in and put the new one, or if you want to reuse it, you can do that as well. Alright, here we are going to remove with the wrench. As you can see, very easy. The only thing that you're going to find out is when it's warm or hot. It seems like the shocks are going to work just fine, but in winter time they don't work well. So, or even with lower temperature like 40 degrees or something like that. So I decided to say let's change it so that way I don't have to deal with this anymore. So if you use the socket set, it will be way easier. Otherwise, if you have a wrench, it will do it just fine. Here, just with any regular screwdriver or the impact driver, that will do the trick as well. So I try to make the video as short as possible. But this is, I mean, it seems like every car it has a different way to replace this. I did the same thing in another cars. In a Camaro, it was a little bit different, but basically the idea is the same here. As you can see, I don't know why, but the car, I don't know if it came like that from factory, but it had all the tape the way you see it right now. So now I have to put the tape. There we go. The tape is all gone. The cable is good, and we can put it back the way it was. So now I'm going to grab some tape, and I'm going to put some tape just on the bottom and on the top. Hopefully that should be enough. I don't know, I have to find out if that is normal in this type of cars, if it comes like that, or it can be run elsewhere. It seems like that is the way it came. It doesn't bother me, but just in case if you have this car, or if you can let me know in the section below, great. Otherwise, just do it the way I'm doing it, and it will work just fine. You have, hopefully you have enjoyed this video. As you can see, it's very strong, so even to put it down you have to do a lot of force, and when you leave it, it will go up by itself. So that is great. So now hopefully you have enjoyed this video, and see you next time in the next one.